¿Está peligrosa? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the logbook. My name is Jeff. You can call me Captain Jack Sparrow because I rocked it out in Tortuga last night. It was a blast. This town is awesome. Any photographer that wants to get some badass town shots, this is the joint for sure. So today is a going to the border day. So that should be fun. I got all my paperwork here, passport, yada yada yada. So yeah, let's hit the road. So this is the hotel Cabine Leco. It was great. This was a pizza spot. Hola. Everyone's so awesome in Nicaragua. Okay, so hola. Everyone waves. It's so cool. So yeah, Tortuga is the friendliest town. Yeah, it's awesome. But I just love, so it's seaside, well, lakeside. But I just love the buildings. They're just so great. And all the roads are very, you know, that doesn't seem to be a grid at all. It's just sort of probably built into the landscape over time. Super rad. So this is the lake, which I forgot. Hold up. Fishing town. So yeah. Noah, that's the bar. There is this Mar y Tierra, which is up ahead. This is all different restaurants with seating out front. I ate at one of those restaurants last night, which was rad. And I guess I should start that so I don't go down a wrong way on a one-way street. This looks correct. Yeah. Tortuga, man, it's the best. I gotta go straight. This is awesome. It's actually called San Carlos, but I like Tortuga. It's way better. If my hotel, like a hotel was good for, you know, $35 US, you know, considering what I was expecting. It had air conditioning, it had TV, the bed was super comfortable. Pillows were good, but it just, I don't know, I didn't have hot water, and when I asked if I had hot water, she was like, oh no. Like that was a luxury that was beyond even fathoming. So anyway, we are just cruising through the Nicaragua countryside, leaving super lake of awesomeness. And I just been thinking like, man, I'm bummed out. I'm leaving. Out of like in Central America, or at out of all these countries, really, the only one I've really been like, oh man, I wish I could stay longer, is like maybe Guatemala. I would say, yeah, Guatemala, but and Honduras a little bit, but. Nicaragua, just the people are so nice. I mean, the jungle has been amazing and all that stuff. It's just been great. The food's awesome, but the people are awesome. They're just lovely. So yeah, that's all. It's just weird. I had to say that. So thank you very much, the people of Nicaragua, for being so fantastic at being you. back on a more major route, and this is a straight shot to the border. I think it's only 14 kilometers, something to that effect, to the border. There's a beautiful road through the countryside there. So nice. Oh, here we go. We got some cowboys and some cows, and they're rushing. That looks dangerous. I'll get out of the way on this one. Oh, you can see the road. Hola. Buenas. Let's see. Well, that's brave. That's brave. Hola, cow. Hola, cow. What's up, guys? Very good. Very good. That's my favorite exit. Like a little parade, cow parade. Oh, awesome. I just went through a military checkpoint. There's been a few of these on the more major roads, but I've been on mostly, you know, dirt roads or you know, way in the hills roads, which there are very few of the police checkpoints. But I don't know, for someone who's coming here, it's a thing, I guess, but not a concern. I think I've only been stopped once or twice, and I've been through, say, I don't know, 10 of them. So yeah, just have your license and registration ready, and you're good to go. So we're coming up on some well, a commotion. A bunch of stuff. We're at the border here, so I was a little like, there was nothing until I came around that corner. There was no signs of there's going to be a border at all. So you know, I saw it on there, so it got a little scary. Now I gotta check out of Nicaragua. It's not going to look like a restaurant, hopefully. Well, maybe. That'd be nice. Okay. Immigration. Hola. Muy bueno, gracias. Hola. Esta de aquí. ¿De bueno? Hola. ¿Cómo está? Buenos días.
¿Me permite el permiso que te dio la aduana cuando ingresaste?
Sí. Rar. ¿Está posible pausa la permiso?
Ese. ¿Tu paso?
¿Este es? ¿Qué?
Paso.
Sí. Gracias. Aquí para 5 días. Muy bella, muy hermosa.
Listo.
Ok, muchas gracias. Más aduana o inmigración? Es más, ok.
Te parqueas ahí en
La azul? Ok. Gracias. Whatever we did there was good. And now we are going to the main building, which I believe, from what I've read, is they're going to go through my stuff, and I might have to pay for an exit fee of some kind. That's the bathroom. I say hello to, I don't know that I want to park my bike bike in here, but we're gonna do it. There's no one here. That's fantastic. All right, start your stopwatches. I'm gonna leave the cameras on and get my watch hours up. All right. Well, that was 2.5 hours exiting Nicaragua. I'm not even done yet, I don't think. But, whew, have I got a story for you? Well, alright, this is the shower I do not want to take. Hola. And see? Uh-oh. This does not look good. Oh, see? Oh, see? It's a like. Oh, okay. Bueno. ¿Está peligrosa? ¿Qué es? ¿Es de agua? ¿Sí? Now we're slightly wet. Let's not fall into that thing. Esta peligrosa. Hola.
Caballero.
¿Qué?
¿Todo listo ya?
¿Sí?
Nada más le vamos a tomar una fotito a la placa para hacer el registro. ¿Está bien?
Ok.
Ok. Puedes parquear allá adelante y luego hacer el resto del trámite.
Ok, gracias. Well, that was weird. I wasn't uncomfortable sitting on my bike before, but now they just sprayed some weird stuff all over me, and this is strange. Now I feel like I should be in a yellow hazmat suit. Alright, wow, another gate. I really love these checkpoints. Hola. Okay, little explanation coming. So in Nicaragua, you're not allowed to have drones. I knew that. I weighed the pros and cons and decided to try and just smuggle it across. Worked the first border, didn't work the second, just because you have to get checked out of Nicaragua and they do a search, and that's where they found it. But on top of that, there was my Spot communication device, which was for, you know, safety in the mountains, which I did not know, but that is also forbidden. So they took both of those things away from me. But I can get them back if I pay a $500 United States currency fine. The communication device is kind of necessary because I don't want to not have it. The drone is there, but either way, I'm going to do a cost-benefit analysis of see if it's better just to not pay the fine and buy a whole new setup, or pay the fine and not have to pay the setup. So we'll figure it out. You know, before you write all the comments about how stupid I am, it was a educated gamble, and you know, here we are. So moving forward. My vehicle permit guy is having lunch, so it's my turn for lunch as well. I bought this on the Costa Rica side. It's a salad with I think it's chicharron. Really good though. She smothered everything in hot sauce. It's so good. Lemon juice, hot sauce, pow. All right. That was honestly, the Costa Rica stuff was pretty easy. Yeah, all in all, it's pretty quick and pretty painless. The people, even as they were taking my spot and drone away, they were nice. What a day, what a day. So yeah, let's go to I got an Airbnb not too far away, and I'm going to relax finally. I'm pretty happy, and this place should look pretty cool. So we gotta get some gas. I think I'm gonna get a little bit more food, and then we'll go finally get there. Okay, getting off the highway. I'm kind of excited to see what this place is gonna be all about. So here's our oh sorry, right. We've got a Ricardo right here. Gravel road. Yeah. There's an ecological reserve that way. That might be cool. Okay, I think this is us. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Huh? Huh? That kind of look. Yeah, that's it for sure. Okay, cool. Alright. And I got my own fence. Oh, here we go. I've got a covered area for my best friend Gunther. Awesome. So we got a place to hang out. We've got a grocery store down the street. Apparently there's a supermarket not too far away, so let's get settled in. This is my place. I'm gonna hang out here for a little while and get some serious, I need some work done, but most importantly, I'm gonna relax and do nothing. Gotta go inside. Got a living room here. I put on coffee, which I'm going to throw in the fridge so I can have iced coffee. Living room, bathroom, no sink, kids' room, little kid's desk, room. This will be mine so I can stare at Gunther. Hello, Gunther. Been here for a couple days, got to eat a bunch of food, which was great. I did some laundry, which was hilarious. I had to buy a fan because it is so hot. It's 37 degrees right now, and it's dark out, so that's not good. And it's apparently supposed to rain for the next week or two, so I gotta get the hell out of here ASAP. It's been raining a little bit already, so anyway, I gotta sort out the drone. I gotta sort out getting my other thing back, so that's all gonna have to be tomorrow. Hopefully I can get it back. I don't know, so we'll figure this all out. I have to get money out and whatever, it's a big deal. So anyway, cliffhanger, right? So but I hope you like this. Give me if you did, give me a mini thumbs up or a big thumbs up or a high five. And if you want to see if I get my drone back, click on the subscribe button. Well, go out there, find someone, make them laugh. It's so hot. So much for downtime. I left the gate open and now I've got a rooster and a chicken in the yard. I gotta get them out. Ta-da!